Hey cousins, so we have another wig review. Today's wig review is going to be on the infamous Freetress Creta Girl, but I have the newest version of it, which is Creta Girl Long, and I have it in the color number 2. This is how it looks on the stock card. This is one of my favorite half wigs of all time. It's hard to get your hands on it in a natural color in the regular version. So when this version first dropped, I could not get my hands on it in a number 2. So I'm so excited. So let's hop right into it. So the inside cap construction has a long comb at the top, and it has 2 separate combs in the back, and it doesn't have any adjustable straps or a drawstring. The original one has a drawstring, but this is how the curl pattern looks, and we are just gonna we're gonna pop it on, because as you guys can see, I love me some big Divalicious hair, and if you guys are familiar with my channel, y'all already know. So let's apply her. Every product that you see me use will be linked in my Amazon storefront, and I'm gonna link this wig as well in my Amazon storefront. It's very affordable.
Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. You gon' have to come and see this. Pretty like Nunu, sweet like peaches. I'ma be a fantasy, you ain't gon' believe this. Hold up, got Mimi on the remix. On the count of 3, baby.
Okay, I found the drawstring. It was hiding, and I will note that the cap construction on this wig is really snug. So if you have a bigger head, stick to the original version. I don't know if I want to add a headband.
Pretty face, no waist, and a big old bed. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy.
So I knew I wanted to wear like a bang effect type of look with this wig, but so far it's not giving me everything I was wanting it to give. I think I was looking for more like a ultra Dominican curly style, and I really like this, but it's not, hear me out, it is not as full. It's really fluffy and it appears full, but in all actuality, it's not a lot of hair, if y'all can tell. My big hair girls know what I'm talking about. It is definitely not as full as I was hoping for it to be.
But I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Big energy.
So this is how it looks. Let me pull all the hair to the front. Now that I have shaped it, I ended up cutting about an inch of it off while I was shaping it, because you guys know how curly wigs is. Once you start cutting on them, you just gotta, you know, snip a little bit more to get that perfect shape to match your facial frame. I didn't want to do too much right here. That's why I did the bobby pin method, because I want the option of wearing it with it full and not just being committed to the bang. But I love doing this with my curly wig so I can have that bang effect when I want it. Y'all let me know how y'all like this down below. I really do like it. I don't know if I like the original Creta Girl better. I feel like I do because it's more fuller. I haven't had one in a while, so they may have got a little bit more skimpy with the hair. I'll have to try to get my hands on it. Once again, it's really hard to get your hands on that wig in a natural color. This will definitely be gorgeous in like a blonde color in the summertime, so I'm definitely going to get me a blonde color for the spring and summertime in this unit. And yeah, I'm going to link this wig down below, as well as Outre's Dominican Curly, and I'm going to link both of my reviews as well down below in the description box. And you know, just links to purchase this unit will be in my Amazon storefront if you guys would like to check it out. Oh, let me give you guys some like angles. So I cut about like an inch or two off. This is how it looks with all the hair to the back. It appears so full, but it's so fluffy that it's like not as much hair as I was hoping for. And I know that probably sounds crazy for a lot of people, but that's just how I like my units. Cap construction is like a small to medium. So if you have a larger head, it may work, being that it does have the drawstring. You're just gonna have to stretch it out. But I definitely suggest this wig for someone with a smaller head, because I feel like it'll give you a wig headache if you have a bigger head. Since it's curly, you're definitely not going to get like shedding or anything like that. This is a wig that will be around. I'm going to probably dog this wig out, no lie, because I'm going to pull it up and style it in different ways, and it's just going to be like my everyday kind of throw on wig. She's a Puerto Rican. You know what I mean? Like, don't talk to me. I'm an island girl. I just, curly hair just does it for me. But yeah, y'all, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, everything will be linked down below in my description box. I feel like this is like a straight to the point type of video. And I know I talk too much, so let me go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, I would love to have you join my family. Over here, I call my subbies my cousins, because at this point, we locked in. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm always on the go when I'm filming.